Okay guys, so this is the new bento box made by Geopace. Nice design. It has plastic lid with 4 snaps, keeps it tight, fork and a knife. The good thing about this, it has a rubber seal, so all your liquids will stay in place once it's in. You have a big compartment, 2 small compartments, and something for like sauce, hot sauce, for those people who like spicy food. Snugs in tight. Fork, spoon, and the lid goes on top. Now this is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and it's also freeze safe. So if you don't want to eat something the next day and you want to hold it for a long time, so you can put it in the freezer, and it is safe to do. Comes in 3 colors: blue, purple, pink. Very cool item made by Geopace.
Hi there! The Easy Preppa Bento Box Set is the perfect on-the-go storage solution for healthy portion-controlled meals. This 20-pack comes with everything you need to store several meals at once. Each container has 1 compartment holding up to 28 ounces. First, you create and prep the perfect meal. Then simply load up each compartment with your delicious healthy foods. And see? Isn't this a great way to keep your portion sizes under control? It keeps you from overeating. Then, just stack them up and store them in your fridge or store them in your freezer. You can safely heat them up in the microwave. They're built to withstand several washings in the dishwasher. And check out this durability. They're designed to hold up to multiple uses. You'll be happy to know the Easy Preppa food container is safe to use and is made from the highest quality, eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic material. Enjoy this safe, tough, reusable, portion-controlled, on-the-go meal storage solution from Easy Preppa Bento Boxes today.